Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, with only 34,800 original miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 305 V8 engine. The truck still wears its original white paint, complemented by a clean blue interior, both of which reflect the care it has received throughout its life. It features new tires, fresh window tint, and a newly installed Line X bedliner, adding both style and durability. The air conditioning blows cold, while the heater works just as well, making it comfortable in any season. With no rust, a clean title, and its untouched, rust-free body, this truck is as solid as they come. The current owner purchased it from the original owners in December and has since added just over 2,500 miles. Prior to that, the truck had never even been fitted with a hitch, highlighting how gently it was used.
Number 2.
1992 Toyota pickup, price $8,800, with just 98,000 original miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it is powered by the reliable 3.0L V6 EFI R22 engine, paired with an automatic transmission that runs and shifts smoothly. The truck drives just like it did the day it rolled out of the showroom. The body is completely rust-free, and the bed remains in excellent condition with no issues whatsoever. A sturdy toolbox is also included in the back for added utility. Inside, the air conditioning blows ice cold, and the factory radio still works perfectly, adding to its charm as a preserved classic. With its originality, strong running condition, and well-kept features, this Toyota pickup represents not only a dependable workhorse but also a collectible classic that has stood the test of time.
Number 3.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, comes with an automatic transmission, a clean title. The truck has been modified with a C-notch and lowered using a 3/5 drop kit that includes a flip kit and 3-inch lowering springs, giving it an aggressive stance while maintaining drivability. Under the hood, it is powered by a small block Chevy 383 built with performance in mind.
The motor features Trick Flow Pro heads, Scorpion roller rockers, a solid roller cam, a 7-quart deep oil pan, an MSD distributor, a Brodix intake, and an Edelbrock carburetor.
With over $10,000 invested in the engine, which was installed in February of this year, this truck delivers serious performance. The power is paired with a TH350 transmission, equipped with a 2600 stall converter and a BM shift kit for crisp, controlled shifting. Inside, the truck has a clean gray interior and a Kenwood singleton deck for modern audio convenience. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1987 GMC Sierra, price $8,500. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, it has been well cared for and has never been driven in the snow. Under the hood, it carries a 350 small block Chevy engine from an OBS paired with a 700 R4 transmission. The truck is equipped with a full MSD ignition system, a Holley electric fuel pump, and long tube headers, though it currently needs an exhaust as it is very loud with only Black Widow widowmakers and turn-downs under the doors. The seller includes a considerable number of extras with the truck, such as a brand new radiator, factory rims and tires, a fuel cell, odometer oil pressure and water temperature gauges, factory seatbelts, vent window seals, and more spare parts not listed. Last year, new brakes, rims, and tires were installed, and the frame was professionally coated for durability. Inside, custom 6x9 kicker speakers with brackets have been added, enhancing the driving experience.
Number 5.
1986 Ford Ranger, price $7,000. It has 137,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a brand new frame for long-lasting durability and a fresh gray paint job that pairs well with its red interior, giving the truck a standout classic look. Powered by a gasoline engine, it still runs strong and is currently being used as a daily driver. While it does have a minor oil leak after running for some time, usually requiring just about a quart of oil every other tank of gas, it remains a dependable truck overall. With its combination of solid mechanics, clean appearance, and vintage appeal, this Ranger represents a classic pickup that's both practical for regular use and enjoyable for those who appreciate older trucks.
Number 6.
1968 Ford F250, price $6,500, powered by a 390 big block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The truck wears a bold red exterior complemented by a black interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. Originally from Oregon, the body is very solid and free from the rust issues often seen on trucks of this era. It runs and drives as it should, making it a strong candidate for someone who wants a reliable vintage pickup. While mechanically sound, it does have a few minor needs typical of a classic. The power steering system has a small leak, and the exhaust would benefit from replacement, as it's currently a bit loud near the front right joint. These are relatively small projects that would easily bring the truck to the next level.
Number 7.
1995 Ford F250, price $4,992, powered by the dependable 5.0L engine. It runs very strong and has only 155,000 miles on the odometer.
The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it both reliable and easy to drive.
Finished in a classic burgundy exterior with a clean gray interior, everything inside is in excellent shape, giving it a well-preserved, original feel. With its long 8-foot bed, this F-150 is not only a classic vehicle but also a practical work truck. It comes with a clean Carfax history, and the previous owner kept all the paperwork, including the original bill of sale, which remains in the glove box.
Number 8.
1998 GMC 1500, price $5,000, features an automatic transmission, a white exterior with a blue interior, and runs on gasoline. It comes with a smog certification, a clean California title, and registration valid through October 2025, making it ready for the road. The truck has benefited from a Stage 1 paint correction with clay bar and wax, giving the finish new life. All windows are tinted, the carpet has been replaced, and the bench seat upgraded with leather from an '88 OBS Classic. GM wheels with Goodyear tires at about 70% tread complete the look. It runs without issues, no overheating, leaks, or tailgate problems, and has been consistently cleaned and waxed. Inside, it's fitted with Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and Pioneer speakers for a modern touch.
Number 9.
1973 Datsun 620, price $8,900. The truck stands out as a well-kept classic with tasteful upgrades that enhance both performance and style. It is powered by an L20B engine paired with a Weber Cannon intake and an electronic ignition, ensuring reliable starts and smooth delivery of power. Cooling is handled efficiently thanks to an aluminum radiator and electric fans, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. This truck is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, adding to the engaging driving experience.
A lowered stance combined with 17-inch wheels gives it a sleek, modern look that complements its vintage appeal. Number 10.
1985 Ford F250, price $5,599. This truck is a well-preserved classic truck with only 81,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable diesel engine, making it both durable and capable. The truck is finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior that reflects its vintage style. On the road, it performs exceptionally well, the engine runs amazingly smooth, the overdrive works just as it should, and it starts up every time without a single issue. Both diesel tanks are fully functional, providing added convenience and peace of mind for longer trips. It also rides on a fresh set of brand new tires, ensuring safety and stability.